In this video, we're going to look at adding a subject to the chats within a channel. And this is really an etiquette thing, and I'll show you why it makes such a difference. Alright, so here's an example where we're using subject lines, and this is where you would see your subject. Okay, so in this example, I'll scroll up and I'll show you why a subject is really important for assisting yourself as well as your colleagues finding content. So as I scroll up, you'll see the subject lines are in bold, and they're much easier to spot than the actual content of the chat. So this may be the document I'm looking for, it's right at the top, but this could be bundled in between many more chats in a real life channel. So adding a subject makes it really easy, not only for you but also your colleagues to find stuff. So let's look at the difference when I'm not using a subject line. So in this channel I have exactly the same content but just no subject line. So you'll just see that it's a little bit trickier to sort of pinpoint what you're looking for specifically, just because that bolded subject is not there. So how do you add a subject line? Well, it's really easy. So normally you would come into this start a conversation box here and start typing your new conversation. What I do and what I've forced myself to get in the habit of is, instead of going there, I use this format button. Okay, this little A with the pen. You click that and that will actually take you into the new conversation box, right? So it's not an extra click at all, it's just a habit. So now I can add a subject, like so, and then we can jump into the actual conversation. So there you have it, that is adding a subject in a Microsoft Teams channel. Hope that was useful.